This is an LED strip. This is an LED strip dancing to music. And this is the LED controller that makes it possible. The best part? It's super easy to set up and doesn't require any special coding. Oh, and did I mention that this can also function as a voice assistant or a Bluetooth proxy for Home Assistant? In this video, I'll explain what this controller is, how it works with WLED and Home Assistant, and why you just may want it for your smart home. Everything that I cover is also featured in an article on my website. You can find a link to it along with any of the featured tech in the video description. On this channel, I cover how tech can make you more productive, so if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Let's do this. This LED controller is from a company called SMLIGHT, based out of Ukraine. They make DIY-friendly smart home devices that work with Home Assistant and are particularly known for their range of excellent Zigbee coordinators. The particular device that I'm looking at here is the A1-SLWF-03, which is a sound reactive LED controller powered by WLED. SMLIGHT sent me this device to test out, but they didn't pay me to say anything, nor did they review this video before publishing. The device is quite small, at just over 1 inch by 2 inches. It is based on SoC ESP32 for LED control. It has a built-in digital I2S microphone for sound reactive LED lighting, or that microphone can function as a voice assistant in Home Assistant. Just know that if you choose to use the onboard mic as a voice assistant, you will not be able to simultaneously use it with WLED. It supports 5V, 12V, and 24V LEDs in 2 channels out of the box, but can be expanded to support up to 6. The controller should work with most 3 or 4 pin digital RGB LED strips that are individually addressable. The controller also has a built-in infrared receiver for sending IR commands from a remote. And the device can also function as a Bluetooth proxy in Home Assistant to expand the Bluetooth reach. If you use it for this purpose though, you will lose that WLED functionality. You can power the controller with a USB-C or a DC plug. This is a fun, flexible, and affordable device that you can use in several ways. If you choose to use it as an LED controller with WLED, which is what I recommend, it could be great for an entertainment setup. Put the strip lights and LED controller near a TV, music speaker, or gaming console and enjoy the dynamic movement of lights reacting to sound. Or add it to your desk for an energizing lighting effect while you're working. I may put this in our kids' bedroom to make our home automation dance parties even more fun. But you don't have to use the sound reactive feature. You can put this under a cabinet or bookshelf to create the perfect ambiance in any room. Or you may choose to use this as that voice assistant or Bluetooth proxy in Home Assistant, but I'm inclined to go for the WLED use case. Unlike some DIY LED projects, setup is quick and easy with this. With the device disconnected from power, use the included mini flathead screwdriver to tighten the screw terminals over the LED strip wires. Then, connect it to power with a USB-C cable and watch the lights come alive. To add it to your network, connect to the device Wi-Fi access point using the default password for WLED. Then you can connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. To access device settings and controls using WLED software, enter the device's IP address in a browser. You can select from a ton of lighting effects or configure your own. If you have multiple light strips using WLED, you can make them all sync to the same effect. You can also configure a timer for turning the lights off or adjust the sensitivity of the lights. This page may also be used for over-the-air updates, but SMLIGHT recommends using the SMLIGHT firmware updater instead. All WLED controls and settings may also be accessed using the WLED app from your phone. In my case, I'm controlling the device using Home Assistant, which is my home automation platform. Thankfully, the setup is super simple. The device is auto-discovered in Home Assistant once you visit the Devices and Services page. Just click Configure and you're literally done. From the device page in Home Assistant, you have access to all the various lighting effects. You can also adjust the light's intensity, direction, speed, and even more. At $16, the A1-SLWF-03 WLED from SMLIGHT is quite affordable. This sound reactive LED controller is super fun and engaging, plus it's just fast and easy to get started. Let me know in the comments what you think of this device and how you might use a sound reactive LED controller in your smart home. If you're interested in how else I'm automating stuff for my kids beyond dance parties, you'll want to check out the video here. There are links in the description for all the featured tech in this video. I appreciate it when you use those links since I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. If you're interested in supporting this channel, consider becoming a member using the links in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for tech reviews and tutorials that help you become more productive. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.